Thank you for taking the time to prepare for our case today. So our website's very simple. Basically, use a little search function, which a little arrow will point to it. Search whatever case we're doing, and based on the search function results, just pick the card that makes the most sense as for what we're doing, that matches how the procedure is posted. If you have any questions, call us, email us. Those numbers and things are going to pop up on the screen right now. The way we've set it up is so that every surgery can be done with 4 things. Our custom packs. This would be the chest breast pack, which has everything we need for a chest or breast case. We have multiple custom packs, 5 different ones: chest, breast, genitalia, face, deep flap, and body. It would be the 5 packs. So one of those 5 packs is what we need to do the case. The other thing is an instrument set. One of our custom instrument sets, which could be face, breast and body, deep flap extras, microsurgery, or liposuction. So again, 5 possible instrument sets, 5 possible custom packs. We order all our medications from pharmacy ahead of time. So when you look at the preference card that you pull up on the website, once you've selected the correct preference card and you look through it, it's gonna say which instrument sets, packs, and everything we need. Now, if your hospital or facility doesn't have our instrument sets or custom packs, you can search this exact website for our supply packs and our instrument sets and see what's in there. So let's say you're using some random universal pack at Sacred Heart or what have you, and you want to know, oh, we don't have their custom body pack. Go look at the custom body pack ingredients, which is on the website. Just search body pack or custom packs. It'll show up and you can see what's missing, so you can track down what extra supplies you need. Same thing with the instrument sets. And otherwise, follow all the other instructions on the preference card, and that should be everything you need to know. So cosmetic cases will bring garments and implants for. If it's an insurance case, then the hospital or facility will provide the implants and the garments.